Hello! An emergency deactivation of the factory alarm system and start the engine of Toyota Camry 2017 with the key programmer RF KeyProg version 3. This is the key programmer RF KeyProg version 3 for Toyota Lexus Subaru from 2008 till 2017. This is the tested car, Toyota Camry 2017. Check that the car is closed. Open the driver's door with a mechanical key and the factory alarm system is immediately activated. Enter the car and connect the programmer to the OBD2. Turn the programmer on, the factory alarm system is immediately deactivated and all doors are unlocked. Bring the programmer to the auto start-stop button. The car's ignition is switched on automatically. Press on the programmer button rewind and on the auto start-stop button. The engine started. Disconnect the programmer from the OBD2. Open and close the driver's door. Indication on the dashboard shows the absence of a key in the car. Let's go. Thanks for watching.